I'm going to very gently take a plastic trim tool and probably a pick tool, and you can see the way the shell goes around those little hooks right there, and they're matching on this other side. You can see it's identical, but this is the assembly that needs to pop off and then go over the top of this one. And that will transfer the switch that will go on, the switch in this kind of housing assembly that goes on to the new one, so it'll operate just like the old one. All right, so go ahead and get that transferred, and then we're going to get the new one reinstalled. All right, so now that you got it transferred, as you can see, you just snap it onto the new one. Go ahead and take the camera line that you're going to need and just feed it through from the outside. You can reach underneath. Go ahead and just pull that through. And I'm putting the camera cable through on the same side that the camera's on, just so it doesn't cross any of the metal. Now don't forget, as you look at this, and you can potentially take your license plate off too, as it's kind of in the way for me right now, but that's all right. So I'm going to make sure to plug that back in. You can always double check this to make sure that it works. Before we get too much further, we're going to check the switch to make sure that it works as well. But then you're just going to take it, hook one side, and rock the front side into place, just like that. And it works. All right, so the lift gate definitely works. All right, so now let's talk about running the cabling, which is going to be a little bit more of a job.